Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my latest order from Infinite Lotus and setting up my Louis Vuitton medium ring agenda for travel. So very small order. I just got some inserts for this agenda, so let's open it up. Alright, so we have a thank you card, a textured monthly card as freebies, and then a planner owner card that you can put up front. And actually I think I'm going to use this because I am going to be setting this up for travel. So I recently came back from one trip and about to head off to another, and I did take my GM agenda with me, and I knew that I generally don't like traveling with it, but I wanted to keep everything in there that I had. It's just not going to work. And so we have these hourly inserts from Infinite Lotus that we're going to put in here and we are going to use. So as y'all know, I've tweaked this a bit. I've gone back and forth with the layout, and it's just because I haven't found anything I liked. And so I've decided to just try something else out. And let me zoom. And sorry for the glare, couldn't set up the blog lights, didn't know where the wire was, again, in between traveling. But we have the daily inserts, which I love and which I want to keep in here. But we're going to swap out these weekly inserts for the hourly and see how well we do, because I'm just an hourly person. I always have been, and I think it'll be more functional. So let's open these up and put these in. I could have swore I ordered two. I'll have to go back and look at my order. But either way, we have these, or she might have combined two, because that's a lot, and I don't think it normally comes with that many. So I think that's probably what she did, is she combined them. But yeah, here is the hourly inserts. So again, personal size. So this layout, I've used these in my GM. So it is a little different, of course, with structuring because of the page sizes. So with the personal, you have 1, 2, 3 lines up top. These are undated, and I did that on purpose. So you can put in the date range. You have your weeks in the hourly, and then your weekends with a lined. I cannot talk today, guys. I'm so sorry. So lined weekends, hourly dates. You have your priorities, memo, and then it's a do list. And it's very compact, which y'all know I love, and I think I might actually like this better than using them in the GM. Y'all know I took them out of my GM, and it's because there's just so much space, but I feel like because of how compact these are, I'm really going to like them. But yeah, these are now in the planner. I think I'll do a plan with me separate to this, like a full-on plan with me in here to try them out. But I did want to give y'all a little unboxing, even though it was just one item, and then just show y'all the flip and show y'all how I set this up for travel. So again, have my daily, and we're gonna need to fast forward a couple of dates in between trips, as I mentioned. So I did not take this planner with, so we need to flip over to here, and I'll set this up in that plan with me. And then we have the new weeklies under lists. I keep one type of insert below, behind each tab, just because I like being able to flip. And then I have these bookmarks that I can easily go in between days and weeks. And then we have my project inserts. I'm going to be using these for collaborations, and I'm currently doing a collaboration, so I need to put that in. And then I have finances. This is for blogging. So I essentially made this back into my content planner again, switching it up. And then we have a note section, which I'll use for essentially anything. And then nothing behind the miscellaneous just yet. So that is the current setup. We'll try it out, and of course in my end of month flip I will share how it worked. But yeah, that is the insert and the travel setup, and I know it was a quick video, but wanted to record it just to share everything with you guys. Again, so sorry for the glare, y'all. Yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.